Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're taking a look at this BLU J010. It's going to be an unboxing video. It's pretty simple. Here's the back of the box, I'm going to guess. Right side, the very front, the left side, and then the top as well. The bottom's nothing. So opening it up, we have a device, and you have a micro USB adapter, as well as a battery and some paperwork. What else is in here? This is the ID sticker, stuff like that. Quick start guide, RF exposure information. Pretty simple stuff. Let's go and take a look at the device. Looks like the back just peels off. It is a dual SIM card, micro SD card slot in the back. Alrighty, gonna unlock it. On the left side, we're gonna have a little light for your, or a little switch for your flashlight. You see, it's pretty bright, works pretty good. On the bottom, looks like you have some kind of connectors for maybe a docking station or something like that. On the right side, you're gonna have your lock and unlock switch, micro USB charging port, and it looks like a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the top, you have your little 3 LEDs for your flashlight. On the rear, you have your camera, an SOS button that you can program, I'm guessing to call someone if you push that button. You have your speaker cutout. On the front, you have your front display. It's pretty big, I would say. Got your blue logo and your earpiece cutout also. Standard buttons, it is all rubbery. Keypads that light up in white. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and stay tuned for the next one.